Okay, my name is Mrs. Stella Ude, and I'm here on behalf of Help Africans Charity Network and Assigned Guardian Angels. They are two non-governmental organizations, non-profit organization.
So apparently this is not the first time you are reaching out.
No, this is not the first time that we're reaching out. Help Africans Charity Network, we have been in the FCT, going around the FCT for quite a number of time and different locations. And Assigned Guardian Angels too, they've done and other parts of the country, not just in the FCT. We have gone to other parts of the country, Help Africans Charity Network, as well as the Assigned Guardian Angels.
So what's informed you to bring this self-keeping informed to us?
Like I said, Help Africans Charity Network is an organization that focuses on eradicating or empowering the less privileged across Africa. And Assigned Guardian Angels, their focus is on improving healthcare among the disabled people. And because we focus on empowerment and eradication of poverty, and also providing healthcare and empowering or uplifting the disabled, we thought it wise to come to show.
Alright, in showing up, what is your advice to the government, especially the agencies responsible for disabled persons?
I'm particularly concerned about this school with special needs, in FCT School of Children with Special Needs, because looking at the children, you see that they need attention, they need care, they need wheelchairs. Some of them, the wheelchairs, they are not moving freely. I think they should get more sophisticated wheelchairs that can move them around. Some are still on clutches, they need wheelchairs. And some of these children here, they are with different kinds of special needs. Some with Down syndrome, some with autism, some with cerebral palsy. So different kinds of special need. So I'm advising the government to pay more attention, because these children, they are property of the government. Most times the parents, they feel overwhelmed, and some tend to hide these children away from society because of stigmatization and all of that. So the burden falls back on the government to take care of these children and to provide for them. The ones that are here, the government should do better to take care of them, to provide for them the facilities. Everything is the responsibility of the government to take care of these people.
Finally, your advice to other non-governmental
Okay, I'm advising other agencies, non-governmental organizations, individuals, religious bodies and groups, associations, to come out to support these people. The burden might be much on the government, but if everybody tries to bring out of the little we have, it can go a long way to cater for these people. It can take away the burden from the government to some extent. The country as it is very hard due to the economic situation of the country. So if everybody can bring out of the little they have, religious bodies especially, groups, individuals, it must not be much. You must not bring everything that you have. We have girls here, they need pads, they need cleaning. Some with cerebral palsy, they need cleaning agents, detergents, they need food, they need clothing, they need slippers, they need sandals, they need everything that they can get. So I'm advising other non-governmental organizations, other associations to try to reach out to such schools or where you have these people. Thank you.